Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I got my hair to grow to this length. So I'll show you guys where my hair is. So that is the length on my hair, and I'm going to be telling you guys the products that I use and giving you some tips. So stay tuned. So I'm going to talk a little bit about my hair journey. So 5 years ago, I stopped relaxing my hair, and the reason why I stopped is because I noticed that my hair was starting to break and it was falling out, and it would never grow past my shoulder area. So my hair actually used to be about this length right here, and this is actually my bangs, but this is what my hair used to be 5 years ago, was about right here. And so the way that I got it to grow out this long is tip number one, which is to not cut your hair. And I know that in a lot of videos that these girls are making, they're saying that if you cut your ends, then your roots will grow faster. But I did a lot of research on that, and study shows that cutting your ends has nothing to do with the way that your roots grow or how fast it grows. So I recommend that you do not cut your hair. I don't care how damaged your hair is, do not cut your hair. There is deep conditioning treatments out there that will repair your hair, and it can make your split ends go away. So I'm going to be talking about a few of those products coming up. And so I actually found out that the reason why some hairstylists tell you to come every 2 to 3 months to cut your ends is not because you have to cut your ends, but because every 2 to 3 months, that's more money in their pocket. So there is treatments out there that can help you get rid of your split ends or any hair damage, dry hair, anything like that. So I always use shampoo and conditioner that is for damaged hair, and it's to restore, the moisture in your hair. I used to use Pantene, the Time Renewal, and I really do like that, but lately I've been using the Dove Damage Therapy Daily Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner, and I always leave the conditioner in. It's like a deep treatment for me. So I'm going to be talking about some products that are some deep conditioning treatments that I leave in my hair whenever I style my hair curly. And one of them is the Pantene Pro V Restorative Collection, and it's the Time Renewal Conditioner. I've also used the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition 3-Minute Undo Dryness Reversal Treatment. And my favorite product that I've been using for the past 5 years is the Africa's Best Super Grow Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and it's really more like a shine. So I always use it for all my hairstyles, whether it's curly, wet, dry, straight. Another product that I've used is the Olive Oil Replenishing Mask. Alright, so basically ladies, those are my tips on how I got to grow my hair this long. And I have seen a few videos out there made from other ladies, and I don't mean to offend anybody, but some of the videos are made with girls who don't even have long hair. So I don't understand that part. But basically, I know some of you are thinking, oh my gosh, my ends are really bad, I have to cut it. But I'm telling you, I've gone 5 years without cutting my ends. I've used all these treatments. I see my split ends go away. I have not been to a salon in years because I style my own hair. Another tip that I would want to give you is just to use less heat. Try to use the blow dryer less. Try to use a flat iron less. Basically, I only straighten my hair probably once every 2 to 3 months, and most of the time it's curly. So this is actually the longest my hair has ever been, And I do want it to grow longer before I decide to cut some of my ends. I hope this helped you guys. Bye!